Going on, guys? Today we got the beast out. This is our 2021 Huracan Evo. You just put a FI exhaust on this thing. I was a little upset in the beginning considering it takes some time for the exhaust to break in, but once it did start breaking in, I really got to enjoy the sound of the car. I'm very excited for what I'm about to show you guys, which is going to include some flybys, some rear footage of exhaust sound. I'm not going to talk too much about the other modifications. We're going to save that for later. I know you can see there's a spoiler on this thing now, maybe a little other couple things in the front. Let's get right into the exhaust review. Hope you guys enjoy what we did to this car. Start off in sport mode.
Sport?
Yeah. I mean, well, sport mode is really now just controlling the what the performance of the car is doing. It used to control the exhaust. Now we have a remote that controls the valves on the exhaust. It's either an auto mode, which is gonna, you know, once you get to a certain RPM, the valves will open up. Yep. And then obviously off is valves closed, on is valves full open.
Yeah.
So I obviously keep them fully open.
Yes, of course.
I mean, there's no reason not to. So we'll start with the valves open, then, you know, maybe we'll get over to some closed, and then auto, see what happens in auto.
Okay.
Need a little front end lift because of the conditions. Don't want to destroy that new pretty front lip.
No, we really don't.
There we go. Yeah, once you get up to a certain speed, the car automatically lowers itself.
Okay, cool. Just short shifting like that is...
Oh yeah.
Nice.
That's like third gear, 4,500 RPM, 5,000 RPM.
How's it feel compared to stock?
It feels like a lot more breathable, if that makes any sense.
A lot more open?
A lot more open. I like breathable. It just makes me feel like I'm inside of an exhaust. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Getting on it a little bit, nothing crazy.
Yeah, but just letting her breathe.
Absolutely. pretty.
That was it, bro.
That sounded pretty.
That was it. We both looked at each other. We were like, "Yep, there it is."
It's backfiring way more, without a doubt. The backfire has definitely got way more aggressive.
Windows down?
Let's do it.
Oh, yeah.
Windows down.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Woo. And I don't even think this thing is fully warmed up yet. Oh yeah. It's insane how much the difference is when it closes. Let's close it.
Wow.
Can't even hear, you can barely hear the car.
That's it closed. Wow. All right, open that back up.
Oh yeah, it's kind of hard to drive without it open.
Yeah.
Let's get on it a little bit to hear that immediate difference. Absolutely. 100%.
Wow. Just that.
Until you let off, or
Yep.
and then even when you let off, depending on where you are on RPMs, it will backfire or it won't backfire. It's like it's at that right point.
Exactly.
This car never gets like old to drive.
No.
It just gets more impressive every time you drive it. And that's on a cold day.
That's on a cold day.
Hope you guys enjoyed the vid. Please like, subscribe, share, whatever you could do. Follow us. We're on Instagram, YouTube, everything. Enjoy watching, and we'll see you next time.